Welcome to Bicody. Bicody is a national high-tech enterprise established in 2009. Our aim is to be a leading portable power station manufacturer in the industry. We strive to offer a safe, green, reliable, and noise-free source of electricity. The facility is located in Huanyuyuan SNT Park, Huangjiang Town, Dongguan City. It covers an area of 5,000 square meters and holds an overall floorage of 20,000 square meters. There is a staff of 400 hardworking and qualified people. They help us to make our products better and stand out from the crowd. We manufacture lithium-ion battery packs and portable power stations, provide residential ESS service, and take OEM and ODM orders. We have an experienced and qualified team of 40 members for research and development. With their help, we make our products better and bring new features and products to the market. We are an ISO 9001:2015 certified company and have established 6S field management systems. We ensure international standards in product management, safety, and quality. There is a dedicated QC team to ensure the quality of the final product. Over the past years, our products have been sold to many countries and passed many international certifications. We proudly offer OEM/ODM services and manufacture customized products according to the requirements of the buyer. We silently support dozens of brands and manufacture their branded products. We have a dedicated team of 40 members for quality control to ensure quality. All products are tested and QC passed before the shipment. We focus on innovation and research. To date, we have applied for more than 100 patents. 10 patents have already been granted to our company. Our R&D team is striving to get more in the future. We have been awarded local government awards and prizes. We offer optimal quality Li-ion battery packs for different products. Our portable power stations can meet the power demand of outdoor activities, self-driving travel, emergency rescue, disaster relief, blackout emergency, etc. We are still striving to bring better and more innovative products to the market. We want to revolutionize the industry through innovation and research.